Hey GPT, let's practice some Python question. I just wanna sharp my English here, so you have to ask me the questions of the Python.
Of course, I'd love to help. Let's keep it conversational. I'll ask you a variety of Python questions, starting from basics and gradually going up. Sound good? Here's the first one. What's the difference between a list and a tuple in Python?
The difference is clear, like it's a little difference here. Like list is
Exactly.
mutable and tuple is not mutable. It's an immutable and tuple is faster and list uses a square bracket and tuple uses round brackets.
Exactly. That's spot on. So lists can be changed after creation while tuples stay the same. Great job. Let's step it up a bit. Can you explain what a dictionary is in Python and how it differs from a list?
Yeah, dictionary is a data structure in Python and it stores the data in key value pairs. And dictionary in the dictionary we have a key and key are always unique. It should not be like many times. So we have to always take only one key and it should be only unique and we can update it also. And it uses curly brackets and list uses a round list uses a square bracket and so yeah, that's the thing.
Absolutely, that's perfect. And just to add, in a dictionary, you access values by their keys, whereas in a list, you access items by their position or index. Awesome, you're doing really well. Ready for another? What's a lambda function in Python?
Lambda function is a small anonymous function, or we can say it's a function which uses a lambda keyword. It's a no name function and we usually use it when we have to do some mathematics with the function like filter map and all. It has a argument and expression.
That's exactly right. Yeah, lambda functions are super handy for short throwaway functions, especially when you just need something simple in a single line. Great job. Want to try another one? How about explaining what a decorator is in Python?
Decorator is a function, is a special function that adds some extra behavior to the main function without changing it. Like you are making a decorator function and inside that you are making a func function which is denoting the original function here, and it's working as a variable here, but it is showing that I am here to show the original function. And then inside this decorator function we basically make another function which is wrapper to wrap the original function. Then maybe we are doing something inside the wrapper function to show that we are adding something here like print before. Then we call main function func. Then we also do something like print um, after, and then we are just returning the wrapper. So this is how actually decorator works.
That was a fantastic explanation. Yeah, exactly. Decorators let you wrap extra functionality around a function without changing its core logic. You're doing great. Would you like to dive into some more advanced topics, or is there a particular area you'd like to practice next?
Yeah, I wanna practice to question more.
Absolutely. Let's do a couple more. Here's one. Can you explain how Python's args and .corgs work in a function definition and give a use case where you might need them?
Yeah, I know args and cogs. We use it. Args used to store the multiple values, like tuple, and cogs takes the data like key value pairs, and it returns the dictionary.
Yes, that's perfect. So args lets you pass a variable number of positional arguments as a tuple, and corgs lets you pass a variable number of keyword arguments as a dictionary. A common use case might be when you're writing a function that takes some known parameters but also needs flexibility, like a logging function where you might have a few fixed arguments but also extra optional details. Nicely done. Ready
Okay,
for one more?
thank you for this conversation.
You're very welcome. I had a great time practicing with you. If you ever want to go over more questions or anything else, I'm here. Good luck and have a great day.